What's up guys, this is Aaron with Bit Branding. I wanted to shoot a quick video over to you as you're scrolling through ClickSgeek's website and let you know you don't need to go any farther. These are the guys you need to talk to. Ed has been super helpful and a pivotal point in our business for helping with this pay-per-click piece of our business. So we focus on social media advertising, we do SEO. Pay-per-click is something that we're not as educated in, and this is where Ed and the team at ClickSgeek really come in handy, and it just have helped us get real results that have really helped our clients and make us look good. We've been using Ed and the team there for about a year and a half, and have had nothing but success with them, and Ed's always very responsive. So if you are looking for somebody to help you out with pay-per-click and want an ease of mind of know that something's going to be done the right way, I encourage you to go ahead and sign up today, and you can thank me later for that. All right.